Hello and a warm welcome to you. My name is Samvedam Randles and I'm the director of the Inner Arts Institute. Many years ago, we started this place out of a profound recognition that many of the issues we face in our lives, they don't begin with us. They come from larger systems, from our ancestral connections and entanglements to things that we don't even consciously perceive. This is why we moved into systemic constellation work, which is a modality that makes things visible for us, underlying patterns and dynamics that we don't understand consciously become very visible, and with that conscious. And with that, there is a possibility for change. Many people come to us when they're in a transition or when they're up against an issue they don't know how to cope with. And many times we've seen the same issues before, so they repeat themselves. And this is why we created numerous programs where you can explore these larger systemic issues of what you are struggling with and come to a different understanding. We don't promise major change and breakthrough, though we do see them often. We're not a clinic, though many of us hold clinical degrees. We're trying to be a place where we can create relational connections and understand the deeper underlying structures of things. Many people come here also because they love this work and they'd like to learn more about it and be trained in it. And we offer such opportunities. We have a wonderful team connected to the work that is dedicated to holding it with depth, with integrity, and with care. This means that you grow as a person, as well as you may accomplish becoming a facilitator and gather the skills needed for that. So if any of that is of interest for you, we'd love to get to know you. Feel free to contact us or to sign up for any of the workshops we're offering. I hope our paths cross soon. Bye.